Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add shadow to your text in Illustrator. So first of all we're gonna add text here. So for that we need to click on this T icon, click here and just type your text. Once you type your text we need to select it. So for that first of all we need to select this tool. Once you're able to see this kind of box around your text, you need to hold your shift key and just stretch your text just like this by using your mouse, and just make it bigger smaller according to your need. Once you're satisfied with the text, it's time to add shadows. So for that we need to select the text just like we have selected now go to effect, and here you'll see this option by the name of this one, stylize, and under it we have the option drop shadow. So just open it. Now here you need to make sure that this preview box should be checked so that whatever changes you're gonna do you will able to see that right here. Now if you move to first option here, which is mode, and if we expand this drop down you will able to see couple of modes, and whichever you like you can just go ahead with that. For the sake of this video I'll just go with normal. Then here if you want to decrease the opacity of your shadow you can decrease that by using these arrows, and increase it as well. So now if you want to adjust X offset or Y offset you can do that from here. So I think this is looking good. I'll just adjust the Y offset too. Then if you want to adjust the blurriness you can do that by adjusting these arrows. Okay, so I think this is looking good. Now the main thing, if you want to change the color of your shadow you can do that too by clicking on this color icon. Then let's say I want to add green shadow, so I can just choose the green color, click on OK, and yeah, you can see the color of the shadow is changed, but generally people prefer black one, so I'll just go with the black one too. Click on OK. Once you're satisfied just click on OK, and yep, that's it. This is how you can add shadow to your text in Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.